गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्तजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। Okay. Welcome Vishisht, Dhriti and Dishita. Welcome to class. So we just did the beginning prayers. We'll do the Dhyana Shlokam. Arunam Karunatarangitakshim Dhrutapashankusapushpabanachapam Animadhibhiravrutam Mayukhaihi Ahamityeva Vibhavaye Bhavani. Few shlokas that we learned last week. We'll do from Manuvidya. Manuvidya Chandravidya Chandramandalamadhyaga Charurupa Charuhasa Charu Chandrakaladhara Charachara Jagannatha Chakra Rajaniketana Parvati Padmanayana Padmaraga Samaprabha Panchapretasanasena Panchabrahmaswarupini Chinmayi Paramananda Vijnanaghanarupini Dhyanadhyatridhyeya Rupa Dharma Dharma Vivarjita Vishwarupa Jagarini Swapanti Taijasatmika Supta Prajnatmika Turya Sarvavastha Vivarjita. We did till here. Any questions till here?
No, auntie.
You're all
No, auntie. No,
okay. Very good. Were you able to get any examples of the three aspects we did? Dhyana, Dhyatri, Dhyeya. Like that, three things in the world that we do.
Yes, auntie.
Yes. Can you share, Surya?
It's like we are eating the food, and then the food we're eating, and like the action.
Yes, the action of eating, the food we are eating,
and us.
Us, the one who is eating. Very good. Perfect. So whenever we eat, we should always be aware of this. Everything is Brahman. That's why there is Shlokam Brahmarpanam, Brahmahavi, Brahmagno, Brahmanautam. Means everything is Brahman. The food we are eating is Brahman. The one who is within us and eating is Brahman. The act of eating is also Brahman. Very good. Perfect. Then anybody else has any examples of the three things? Yes, Sitara.
The action of praying and the thing we are doing and the God.
Yes, perfect. Very nice. Super. So you got it, got the concept, right? Does Agnieszri want to try?
Nilma, is it that creation, maintenance, and destruction you are asking for the example?
No. Now today we'll do creation and those actions. This
Okay.
is the three aspects, which
Okay.
is dhyana, dhyatri, dhyeya. Like three things in action. The one who is eating, like
Okay.
dhyana means the meditation process. Dhyatra means on whom we are meditating.
Okay.
Some god, something we'll have, right? As a focus to meditate. That is dhyatra. No, that is the one who is meditating is dhyatra, and dhyeya is the one who is we meditate on.
Okay.
So three aspects. It is in the verbs, the kriya, whatever actions we do, every action will have.
Okay. Yeah.
Like if we are eating, that is very simple and nice. Every day we can practically do. The praying also is so beautiful one, right? Pray to a particular god of our Ishta Devata. If I like Lalita Devi, somebody else will like Vishnu, Lord Vishnu. So with Lord Vishnu, then the one who is praying, the devotee, and the action of praying, like that.
You can talk to her right
Okay,
now.
next time you can get, no problem.
She wants to say like, can I ask playing, or because she plays, can she
Yeah,
tell?
playing can be an action. Yes, let us try for play. Come on.
Like the action is
Yes,
playing,
the action of playing, correct?
and the person who's playing,
Yes, perfect.
and the third one is the the creation that we might make a game.
The play that you are playing, the game that you are playing. Like the god that you are praying. So the play that you are playing, the tennis, basketball, whatever. The play that you are playing, the one who is playing, and the action of play. Very good.
My action is gardening.
Okay, let us try for gardening.
My person is me.
Yes. Correct.
And the creation is the new plant.
Okay. That is the dhyaya, the one that we are growing. Third one. You are the one who is gardening, who is growing plants, and the plants that they are growing. Third one is anybody else?
The action.
Yes, perfect. So the process of the plant growing, the action of the growing part. Very good. Like we apply water, we place the plant in the sun, all those, the process itself is the action of gardening. Very good. Okay. Shall we move on to new verses?
Yes, son.
Okay. Please repeat twice after me. Who would like to volunteer? It is okay, Yagnashri. Today let's okay. From 63rd verse. Repeat twice after me. Supta.
Supta, supta.
Prajnatmika.
Prajnatmika, prajnatmika.
Turya.
Turya, turya.
Sarvavastha.
Sarvavastha, sarvavastha.
Vivarjita.
Vivarjita, vivarjita.
Yeah, we have done with this. These were the three states we saw: waking state, dream state, deep sleep state, and the fourth one is turya, which is the experience. We have four things in our life every day. When we are awake, it is the waking state. When we dream, that is the dream state. When we sleep, and then there is deep sleep, where everything will be blank and we will have very peaceful sleep. That is the third one, prajna. At that time, Amma is called prajna. And there is fourth one, which is beyond these three. That is called turya. Okay. So that is not a state, that we have to experience. With experience only we can know what is Amma actually. That is turya. Okay, now we'll do the new ones. Srishti Kartri,
Shrishti
Brahma Rupa,
Brahmarupa
Srishti Kartri, Brahma Rupa,
Shrishtikarti Brahmarupa
Goptri,
Goptri
Govinda Rupini,
Govindarupini
Goptri, Govinda Rupini,
Goptri Govindarupini
Samharini,
Samharini.
Samharini
Rudra Rupa,
Rudrarupa
Samharini, Rudra Rupa,
Samharini Rudrarupa
Virodhana,
Virodhana
Karishwari,
Karishwari
Tirodhana Karishwari,
Tirudhana Karishwari
Samharini, Rudra Rupa,
Samharini Rudrarupa
Tirodhana Karishwari,
Tirodhana Karishwari
Sadashiva,
Sadashiva
Anugrahada,
Anugrahada
Anugrahada,
Anugrahata
Sadashivanugrahada,
Sadashiva Anugrahada
there is line in between, right? Small hyphen. So we have to combine it. Shivanugrahada. Shivanu. Don't split that. Like Shiva Anugrahada, we should not say. We should say Shivanugrahada. Okay. Sada Shivanugrahada.
Sadashiva Anugrahata
Yes.
Sadashiva Anugrahata
Panchakritya
Panchakritya
Parayana.
Parayana
Kritya Parayana.
Krityaparayana
Panchakritya Parayana.
Panchakrityaparayana
Very good. So here we are seeing the 5 actions done by Amma. Pancha means 5. Kritya means actions. And Parayana, she is the great one who is doing 5 great actions. Let us see what all she does. So Srishti means creation. Amma is sitting on the 5 seat, right? Pancha Brahmasana we saw. She is sitting on the Pancha Brahmasana. So sitting on them, the asanas get activated. Which are the 5 asanas? Can you name?
Rudra, Shankara, Vishnu, and Shiva. No, Brahma.
Okay, let us go in the pattern. Like first creation. Creation, Brahma. Let us go to picture. So it will be easy for us. Okay. So first he is sitting here, Brahma is sitting. Next is Lord
Vishnu.
Vishnu.
Vishnu. So he is sustaining whatever is created, he is maintaining. Then is this one,
Shankara.
Rudra.
Rudra.
He dissolves, he transforms. He is Rudra. Then comes he is Ishvara. Fourth one is Ishvara. So we all know three things very well: creation, sustenance, and dissolution, which is transformation. But there is fourth action that is called Tirodhana. We say Tirodhana, and it is done by Ishvara. Ishvara means the Lord who controls everything. So Amma's energy which controls everything, that is Ishvara energy. And to him we call him as Ishvara. And the fourth one is the plank on which Amma is seated is Sadashiva. So what these two jobs are, Tirodhana and Anugraha. So Tirodhana is done by Ishvara and Anugraha action is done by Sadashiva. So Tirodhana is like if we have a full basket of mangoes, we cover them. When they are raw, we cover them with the hay. We put lot of hay on top of it, so that slowly they will ripe. Always we do that. Then we pick the mango that is ripe to eat. Every day we will see. And now summer is coming, right? We all will do that. So whatever is turning yellow, orange in color and nicely ripe, good smell, that we take and we consume. So all the unripened ones we cover, right? So in this action, after dissolution is done, everything is covered, like everything is in dormant state. That is Tirodhana. And Anugraha means again everything will come. Anugraha means blessing. Anu means following. Whatever was there earlier, again it comes. It repeats. So with the blessing is Anugraha. So whatever is ripe, we take, we consume. Okay. See, every day this happens. These 5 things, it's not that Devi is doing something every day. Suppose we are sleeping at night. So whole day we are working, all this creation, we do so many things, sustain, we do things to maintain ourselves. End of the day, we sleep. So that is dissolution. And then what happens in sleep? We don't do anything. That is Tirodhana. Everything is in lying posture, dormant. And morning again we wake up and we remember everything. In sleep we don't remember whether Nilima is there, Surya is there, or anybody, Akshaya is there. But when we wake up, we again see, yes, Nilima is there, mom is there, dad is there, sister is there. It's not that we forget. Now in sleep we forgot means we forgot everybody's names. We don't know where we are. Not like that. So we know, right? So that is following Anu, and it continues. So that action is Anugraha action. Also, in spiritual level also, there is this connection that we are all in false world. We are all illuded. We are illusion. So Amma has put a cover on us. You can't see the truth. So we are not able to see what is reality. So that cover is that. We are in, that's called Maya. Now, when Amma feels, okay, my child is mature, like a ripe mango. So this girl, this child or boy is very knowledgeable. Now he has reached a state. Now I'll give him the reality. So we will get to know everything. What is the truth? What is actually there? We will know. Now whatever we are understanding is all the Maya created by Amma. We feel everything is so real. Mom is there, plants are there, animals are there. So different we feel. But then when that Maya is removed, we will see only one. There is only one energy, right? So that one we will see. Okay. So this is what is the 5 actions of Amma. Only when she is seated, all the other devatas we call. Now each action is performed by a particular, is given a name, and it is done by, and we have given a name. The rishis have given, maharshis have given name. Okay, when creation is happening, suppose somebody is born, it we call him as Brahma. The energy of Amma is called as Brahma. When it is maintained, when we are all maintaining ourselves, it is called, that energy is called Vishnu. Like that. Okay, like this, all these 5 actions are done by one Amma, only one. Any questions? Yes, Yagna?
Why does Amin have grass in her hand?
What she has?
Grass in her hand.
Brass?
And I think that's a coconut, right? She holds in her
This one?
the other hand.
This
Um,
one?
No, when the long stick that she holds like grass.
Are you talking about which Devi Ma?
The middle Devi, she holds, I think that is the sugar cane she holds, right?
Yes, sugar cane she holds. Yeah.
Yeah, she's asking why.
The sugar cane represents the mind. It is sweet, right? So for our mind, we like so many things. So every time.
Namaste, Neelima garu.
Namaste andi.
She is talking about that Pasham and Ankusham.
No, I think sugar cane stick, her mom
Yeah.
said, right?
Yeah. Whatever you're showing, yes.
Okay, is this Agnashri?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this is the sugar cane stick. We eat, right? It will be sweet. Sugar cane juices we get in India. So sugar cane is so sweet. But there are blocks after everywhere. See, like a train, each compartment, it is in a compartment wise. Blocks are there. So in our life, we will be happy for some time. We like something and we'll be happy. But it is not continuous. So there are breaks in between. Sometimes we'll be sad, sometimes we'll be happy. So in life, it is like the mind. Always for our mind, we like something, we don't like something. It is not that sometimes if we don't like, always our life will be sad and we are always depressed. No. Again, happiness will come. Again, somebody will gift us something and we'll be happy. Again, Amma will make some favorite food that we like, we'll be happy. Like that. Sometimes there will be food that Amma makes which we don't like bitter gourd may be there or some other thing. But it's okay. That day we'll accept, okay. Again, next day Amma will make gulab jamuns, cakes, whatever you like. Right? That's what is mind. So it represents that. And these are the flowers that she holds. So we have 5 sense organs. We have eyes, nose, skin, ears, tongue. So using these, we experience this happiness. Like when we eat the food, which sense organ we are using?
Taste.
Taste. And
Mouse.
yeah, mouth. Within mouth, inside mouth, with what do you taste?
Tongue. Tongue.
Yes. Tongue. So tongue is specially designed for taste. Like that. So that's why using these 5, if we are hearing to good music, it is our ears that is listening. So that perception is the 5 flowers that she holds. So with flowers as arrows and sugarcane stick as bow, she hits. Means we all enjoy life. That's what it represents. Okay. Got it, Yagna? Yagnashri?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay. Any more questions?
No, Auntie.
Okay, then we'll repeat the verses that we learned. Dhriti, are you able to get? Vishisht? Ishita? Are you okay?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, we'll do the verses that we learned. Together we'll do. Srishtikartri Brahma Rupa गोत्री गोविन्दरूपिणी संहारिणी रुद्ररूपा तिरोधानकरीश्वरी सदाशिवानुग्रहदा पंचकृत्यपरायणा. Who would like to volunteer and chant individually? Okay. Surya?
सृष्टिकर्त्री ब्रह्मरूपा गोप्त्री गोविन्दरूपिणी समारिणी रुद्ररूपा तिरोधानकरीश्वरी सदाशिवा अनुग्रहा पंचकृत्या परायणी
Yana. Parayana.
आयना.
Good. Very good. Next, Sitara.
सृष्टिकर्त्री ब्रह्मरूपा गोप्त्री गोविन्दरूपिणी समाहरिणी रुद्ररूपा तिरोधानकरीश्वरी सदाशिवानुग्रदा पंचकृत्यापरायणा.
Very good, Nana. Super.
सृष्टिकर्त्री ब्रह्मरूपा गोप्त्री गोविन्दरूपिणी संहारिणी रुद्ररूपा त्रियोदनकरीश्वरी सदाशिवा अनुग्रदा पंचकृत्यपरायणा.
Very good, Akshaya. You got the very good flow now. You're going freely, you're chanting, right?
Thank you.
Very nice. Okay. Anybody else?
I'll go, Auntie.
Okay, Anju.
सृष्टिकर्त्री ब्रह्मरूप गोत्री गोविन्दरूपिणी संहारिणी रुद्ररूपा तिरोधानकरीश्वरी सदाशिवानुग्रहदा पंचकृत्यपरायणा.
Perfect. Good. Anybody else would like to try?
सृष्टिकर्त्री
Yajna? Okay.
सृष्टिकर्त्री ब्रह्मरूपा गोप्त्री गोविन्दरूपिणी संहारिणी रुद्ररूपा तिरोधानकरीश्वरी सदाशिव अनुग्रहदा पंचकृत्यपरायणा.
Very good. You did a team effort. Tarun, are you getting? You're okay?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, very good. Good job. Omkar, anybody would like to try? Okay. No more questions, right? If you have any questions, please ask in chanting, or just remember in your chantings, when there is this line, we have to continuously say that. Sadashivanugrahada. Here also it is Tirodhanakarishwari. It's like continuous. There is no pause there. Tirodhana, Kari, Ishwari, not like that. Tirodhanakarishwari. Sadashivanugrahada. It comes like that. That's the only correction. Okay, we'll do the final prayers. Please chant. Annapurne Sadapurne Shankarah Pranavallabhe Jnanavairagyasyartham Diksham Dehi Parvati Sarvamangalamangallye Shive Sarvarthasadhike Sharanye Trayambike Devi Narayani Namostute. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayah. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschit dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.
Thank you, Auntie.
Welcome, Nana.